डाउनलोड पे जाओ। हाँ नहीं, जो अभी डाउनलोड किया वो देखो कहाँ है। चलो लेट मी स्टार्ट। एम आई लाइव किड्स? ये दिख तो रहा नहीं। इसमें लाइव आ रहा है? कहाँ है लाइव? Can you hear me? Can you see me, kids? Just to let me know, everyone. कोई दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है? Hey everyone. Kareem, yes. Yes. Just to let me know, can you hear me? Can you see me? Everyone, just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? Good evening. Yeah. So if I'm perfectly audible and visible, just to let me know so that I can share the marks as well as share the answers. Good evening. Visible? Okay. Now see kids, this question number 87. Is it the board is visible? Kids, board is visible to all of you. Board is visible to all of you. Just to let me know in the chat section. Board is visible. Now, question number 87. The following two reactions give the same foul smell. C2H5Cl X gives Z. Now, bromamide, happy birthday reaction, and then carbalamine reaction. Ethylamine, ethyl isocyanate. So Z is ethyl isocyanate. Z is your ethyl isocyanate, and definitely your X will be what? Because they are writing the following two reaction give the same foul smelling product Z. That means it will be ethylamine. The following two reactions give the same foul smelling product Z. That means this X should be something like AgCN. If I write CN cyanide and isocyanide, isocyanide means potassium cyanide gives cyanides, AgCN gives isocyanide. So X is AgCN, X is AgCN, and Z is Z. They are asking Z is also ethyl isocyanate. So right, second will be the correct answer. Second will be your correct answer. Are you getting my point? This second will be the correct answer, kids. Everyone getting? Second will be the correct answer. How to take it? How to write down from here? Yeah. Wait. X. Now pen. So your answer is over here, second. This question's answer is second. Now, everyone, are you getting my point? This question's answer is second. Now, another question. Let me take another question. Another question is, just see 90 question. The product X and Y are formed in the following reaction sequence. X and Y. X is over here, Y is over here. Methyl chloride anhydrous aluminum chloride. Is it visible to all of you? Methyl chloride anhydrous aluminum chloride is giving toluene. Toluene on nitration will give ortho and para nitrotoluene. Ortho and para nitrotoluene, the suitable method that can be used for the separation of product. Ortho and para. So definitely it should be your what? Fractional distillation. Right? Fractional distillation should be the correct answer. Now, another question, kids. Yes. Question is, the calculated spin only magnetic moment of titanium 2 plus. Is it visible to all of you? Question number 88. My dear students, Parshuram, Kareem, just do let me know in the chat section that 88, titanium, scandium titanium. Titanium is 22. 22 means 4s2 3d2. 3d2 means 4s2 2 electrons gone, 3d2 2 unpaired electron, that means 2.84 will be the correct answer, kids. 2.84 will be the correct answer. Third will be the answer. Are you able to hear me, kids? I can't see that people. Now, इसको download करो चलो तुम. Right now, visibility of paper is not clear. Kids, are you there? Are you there? Just to let me know, kids. Wait. ये इसको डाउनलोड करो पहले. हो गया. Next, wait. Let me check from here. इसमें नहीं है. Physics. Physics. No. Not chemistry. Chemistry. Check the WhatsApp. Check WhatsApp. और क्वेश्चंस आए होंगे ना. हाँ ये देखो ये. हाँ इसको करो देखो. वेट. Kids, just a second. Yes, Parshuram, just wait. I am getting the paper, the code. Now. हाँ इसको यहीं से खोल दो. Wait, you wait. Now see, kids. Hindi, English. Yes, it's starting from here, kids. Now see the visibility. Question number 49. You see, is it visible to all of you, kids? Question number 49. The number of chlorine atoms present in the organic product X and Y in the following. Now, kids, do let me know, is it visible to all of you? First of all, everyone, do. I think. Is there anyone? Kids, I think it got disconnected. People are there. Then why I can't see the people? Kids, are you there? I've got the paper. Is everyone there, kids? Okay, there are 29 words are there. Now see, kids. Question number 49. Everyone see to it. Question number 49. The number of chlorine atoms present in the organic product X and Y of the following reaction respectively. This question I have shared, kids. I've told you this will definitely come in your examination. Now see, anhydrous AlCl3, it is ESR, electrophilic substitution reaction, and here you will get your product like this. This is still benzene, hexachlorobenzene. This is hexachlorobenzene. Now what they are asking, the number of chlorine atoms present in the organic product X and Y. Hexachlorobenzene, C6Cl6. Now here ultraviolet light gamexene. Now gamexene is C6H6Cl6, 666 gamexene, lindane. Here also 6 chlorine. In both the two atoms, chlorine, because they are asking number of chlorine atoms present on a compound X and Y, 6 and 6. Fourth is the correct answer, kids. Everyone, you got it? Because this is hexachlorobenzene and this is your gamexene, or you can say lindane. they both are having, this is also having 6 chlorine atom and this is also having 6 chlorine atom, everyone getting, so this is the correct answer, 6 and 6. Now question number 50, let's see question number 50, my dear students. This already we have done right now. Now come to question number 51. I think question number 51, everyone come to the question number 51. Identify the correct statement about ClF3. We know very well ClF3 is T-shaped. T-shaped. How it is T-shaped? Chlorine is having 1, 2, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, 1 fluorine, 1 fluorine, 1 more fluorine. So 3 sigma bond. Steric number is 3 sigma bond plus 2 lone pairs. 5 is sp3d. sp3d is hybridization. sp3d is hybridization. Where I cannot see. So its electronic geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, but only 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds means its lone pair will occupy equatorial position, equatorial, and 1 fluorine, 1 fluorine, 1 fluorine, slightly bent T-shaped. Now it has T-shaped geometry with 3 lone pair, 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs are there. It has planar, no, it has T-shaped geometry with 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs on chlorine atom, 2 lone pairs. Third is the correct answer. Kids, just to let me know, are you getting? Beta, mujhe batao, Kareem's T-shaped, but T-shaped, there are 2 shaped. This is also T-shaped, this is also T-shaped, but it is having just 2 lone pairs. Just see 2 lone pairs. But chalo, I cannot see your what to say, comments. If you are there, just to let me know how you have done. Have you got trapped or you have done? सभी लोगों ने कैसा पेपर किया, कहीं फंस तो नहीं गए, क्योंकि यहाँ भी टी शेप दिया है, यहाँ भी टी शेप दिया है, यहाँ क्लोरीन पे वो कह रहे हैं 3 लोन पेयर, पहले ये दिया हुआ है 3 लोन पेयर. Maximum people must have got trapped. Just to let me know. Why I cannot see the concurrent viewers? How many people are watching right now? And keep away from there. Kids, at least share. Now, another one. This question. The functional group that can be identified through phthalene dye. Phthalene dye means phthalic anhydride will react and it will react with phenolic, so it can form phenolphthalein. The phthalene dye, phenolphthalein, that definitely phenolic. Now another one. This question, just see, focus on this question. A solution of copper sulfate is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 ampere. The mass of copper deposited at cathode. So now the mass deposited, M is equal to ZIT. That means mass is equal to equivalent weight upon 96500 into I into T. Now you can see time must be in seconds and current in amperes and equivalent weight copper. So we will get M is equal to 63 upon equivalent weight is by 2 into 96500 into I 1.5 ampere into time in seconds, 10 into 60. This should be the correct answer. Now solve it kids, solve it. Apply your brain. 2 zeros will go like this. Divide it, use the calculator and divide it. 2 3 ja 3 just. So what you're supposed to do, 63 multiplied by 1.5 into 3 and divided by 965. Do it. Do it. Huh? 0.29 will be the correct answer. Check it out, kids. 0.29. Very good, Kareem. This is the correct answer. Copper's atomic weight is 63, and copper, you know that Cu2 plus copper sulfate, its N factor is 2. So equivalent weight will be 63 divided by 2. So you keep this, you will get 0.29. Have you got it? Very good, Kareem. That's fantastic. Now, another question. Another question. This is the question match list 1 with list 2. Now see, if you don't know V2O5, no problem. But we know that PDCl2, iron, nickel complex. So it's going to be a really toughest one. So let's see what options are given. Options are given over here. But let's see. Preparation of H2SO4 from SO2. If you remember contact process. भैया कॉन्टेक्ट प्रोसेस में किसको यूज करते हैं, जल्दी से बता दो करीम्स. कॉन्टेक्ट प्रोसेस में किसको यूज करते हैं, V2O5 को यूज करते हैं, या ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ इथाइन टू इथेनॉल. इथाइन टू इथेनॉल हम किसको यूज करते हैं, या पॉलीमराइजेशन ऑफ एल्काइंस, कुछ तो याद आ रहा होगा. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमोनिया फ्रॉम N2NH2, हेवर्स प्रोसेस. N2 plus 3 times H2 gives 2 moles of ammonia. N2 plus, जरा निकालिए आप अपने आप देखिए कि हेवर्स प्रोसेस में इनमें से कौन सा कैटलिस्ट यूज करते हैं, आपको आ जाएगा हेवर्स प्रोसेस. व्हिच कैटलिस्ट अप्लाई, यू विल गेट द आंसर. किड्स, हेवर्स प्रोसेस में किसको, फाइनली डिवाइडेड आयरन. फाइनली डिवाइडेड आयरन इज यूज्ड इन हेवर्स प्रोसेस. B is 1. B is 1. So B is 1. Oh my god, B1, B1. So this can't be the answer. 2 can't be the answer. Now V2O5 is used in contact process. A is 3. A is 3. A is 3. A is 3. So out of these two, 1 and 2, that should be the answer. 1 and 2, that should be the answer. Now let's see. Polymerization of alkynes or oxidation of ethyne to ethanol. What to be used? PDCl2, V2O5, nickel complex. Now your answer should be either 1 or 2. So PDCl2 Wilkinson's. No, Wilkinson's catalyst is not PDCl2. Now A is 3, B is 1. Let's see. A is 3 and B is 1. So first will be the answer. First will be the answer. First will be the answer. Wilkinson's catalyst, triphenyl phosphine rhodium chloride. But first will be the answer, right? First will be the answer. Now another question, kids. Let's see over here. Question number 55. So on this compound, you can see it's from the your coordination chemistry. Now coordination chemistry, if you see that if I say with platinum, where platinum lies, nickel, palladium, platinum. So it's 3D, it is 4D and 5D. With these two elements, all ligands will behave as strong field ligand. This I have told you yesterday. So it must be DSP2 or SP2, so square planar. So A is 3. A is 3 for sure. A is 3 and A is 3 for sure. That means either this will be the answer or this will be the answer. This can't be the answer and this can't be the answer. These two gone. Now my dear students, let's see. For cobalt ammonia, ammonia is a strong field ligand and cobalt, definitely it must be your D2sp3. D2sp3 octahedral. So B is 1. B is 1. B is 1. B is 1 going over here. B1. And in this, you see in this B is given 4. B1, A4. A, no, A was 3. A3. A3 and B1. A is 3 and B is 1. A3, B1. Second is the correct answer. Second. Kids, over here, second is the correct answer. Second is the correct answer. How many of you got it? Second is the correct answer. कितने लोगों का सही हुआ बच्चा लोग? Everyone just to let me know. How many people are watching? Kids, second is the correct answer. Right or wrong? You see, it is square planar. Now, it is octahedral. Definitely, D must be trigonal bipyramidal because its steric number is 5. 5. D must be 2. D is 2. Right. Definitely, this will be the answer. भाई आपका चैट सेक्शन में आप नजर नहीं आ रहे हो, जल्दी से बताओ. सही हो गया. वेरी गुड ज्योति, वेरी गुड ज्योति प्रधान. किड्स, आपका सही हुआ गलत हुआ चैट में बताओ. देन ओनली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू पीपल आर देयर. You people are there or not? How to check? मुझे तभी पता लगेगा in the chat section. Write down everyone. Now, next question. See, question number 56. Everyone see question number 56. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. The IUPAC name of the element with the atomic number 107 is nil septium. This is true. This is true. So can't be the answer. The oxidation state and covalency of aluminium over here. You see aluminium chloride X minus 1 plus 0 is equal to plus 2. So it will go on that side plus 3. Plus 3 is right. And the covalency of aluminium 6. This is also true. So can't be the answer. The largest and the smallest entity among magnesium and magnesium 2 plus aluminium, aluminium 3 plus are aluminium and magnesium. The largest. You know that if you go like this, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, the size decreases because effective nuclear charge increases. So size will decrease. So aluminium largest and magnesium 2 plus smallest. Aluminium 3 plus must be smallest and largest must be magnesium. This according to me is false. The similarity in behavior of limb-bell-Bessey diagonal relationship, right? This is also true. So third is the correct answer. Kids, third is the correct answer. Very tough question. I would like to say this is a tough question. Parashram, welcome. कितने लोगों ने किया बेटा? ये टफ क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 is really a tough question. Kids, मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों ने किया, कितने लोगों ने ये पेपर किया? आप दिख नहीं रहे हो, मुझे कोई भी नजर नहीं आ रहा बेटा. It's really very tough. 56 is very tough question. Now let's see this question. This question. Question number 57. Everyone see 57. Given below, just a second, let me zoom in so that everyone can see to it. Why it's not going? Wait. Question number was this one. Question number 57. Given below is an expression for the rate constant of a first order reaction occurring at a certain temperature. ln K is equal to like this. Now we know that one thing, that K is equal to, know the representation, K is equal to AE raised to power minus EA by RT. K is equal to EA by RT. Now ln K, if you take ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. This will be the representation. So ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT, right? Now, what they are asking, the energy of activation in kilocalorie per mole for the reaction is. Now, activation energy they are asking. That means T is given over here and this minus is given over here. So can I write EA upon R is equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to the power 4. So R value we know very well because they are asking. R value is 1.987 and the energy of activation in kilocalorie per mole, and this is calories. So can I convert it into kilocalorie per mole? That means this is near about 2 and I will get 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 kilocalorie per mole. So if I keep this value over here, I will get the value of energy of activation in kilocalorie per mole. So I will get EA is equal to 1.25 into 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. This was 10 raised to the power 4 and this is 10 raised to the power minus 3. So 10 raised to the power 1. So 10, this is 10. So I will get 12.5 into 2 and 12.5. 12.5 into 2, near about 12.5. 12 दूनी 24, 25. Nearest to 25 is 12 to 24.84. Everyone, is it clear, kids? Kids, how many of you got it? I can't see your messages. I don't know why today messages are not visible, kids. Everyone just do let me know. Your messages are coming late or you are not putting the message. मुझे जल्दी बताओ कितने लोगों का सही हो गया this chemical kinetics question, the solution I have given over here. It's your answer is right or wrong. Have you got it or not, kids? Kids, I'm unable to see. TSP Gaming, Rithvik, are you there? Are you there, kids? Can you help me? That I cannot see. Yes, unknown doctor. Very good. Kids, keep on. भैया इतना इजी क्यों? ये इजी नहीं है विशेष शर्मा. मुझे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लोग मैसेज में लिख कर बताओ क्या है. कोड छोड़ो, क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दो. कोड छोड़ो, क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दो. Now, another question. Let's see another question. Question number 58. 58. TSP Gaming, unknown doctor. Everyone just do let me know, are you there? Question number 58. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you? Now see. Phenolphthalein is used as an indicator for the titration of sodium hydroxide solution against standard solution of oxalic acid. Redox reaction. The color change that is observed at an alkaline pH close to the equivalence point during this titration. We know that phenolphthalein, your phenolphthalein is HPH, HPH, and HPH changes into H positive, pH negative. If pH negative is more, it is colored, and colored like it is pink, purple, like that. But we need pink. This is in acidic medium. In acidic medium, it is like this, and in basic medium, it will be like this. So you know that phenolphthalein is used as an indicator for the titration of sodium hydroxide solution against standard solution of oxalic acid. The color change that is observed at an alkaline pH close to the equivalence point. So alkaline pH, that means colorless to pink. In acidic medium, it is colorless. So from colorless to pink, colorless to pink, first is the correct answer. कितने लोगों का सही हुआ? कितने लोगों का सही हुआ? कितने लोगों का सही हुआ? मुझे बताओ बच्चा लोग. ये question, colorless to pink. Its answer will be colorless to pink because in acidic medium, it must be added to the oxalic acid and it is changing from colorless to pink. because they are writing the color change that is observed at an alkaline pH. Alkaline pH means it must have come over here. Let me check it out. Alkaline pH. Alkaline pH means it must be added to the oxalic acid. If it is being added to the oxalic acid, that means the oxalic acid was here. यहाँ पे ऑक्जेलिक एसिड था और इसमें फिनोप्थलीन था, तो ऑक्जेलिक एसिड एसिड है, तो इट वाज कलरलेस. एंड इन द ब्यूरेट देयर मस्ट बी NaOH. NaOH must be in the burette, so you are adding NaOH. So at the equivalence point, a single drop of base will be there. It will change from, yes, colorless to pink. I hope everyone it is clear. Now another question. This question, let's see. Question number 59. Everyone see question number 59. Methane reacts with steam. Oh my God, in the presence of nickel catalyst. This question, so they have given directly, kids. Everyone, you should know that what you are going to get. This is simple most question. Do let me know which answer you have given, kids. Methane reacts with steam. Do let me know in the chat section. This is the simplest question. Everyone should know this answer. मुझे बताओ जल्दी से. मुझे बताओ जल्दी से. हन्नू? Everyone just do let me know in the chat section that this question is well-known question. Methane reacts with steam. CH4 plus H2O. Everyone, you should know the answer of this question. Do let me know in the chat section. Methane with steam. Everyone, do let me know. अगर ये question आपका गलत हुआ तो पिटोगे आप सभी लोग. Methane reacts with steam. This is class 9th question. आरुषि गर्ग, सभी लोग मुझे बताओ. मुझे पता नहीं कि चैट सेक्शन में आप लोगों के मैसेजेस बहुत लेट आ रहे हैं. जल्दी से मैसेज करो कि मीथेन प्लस स्टीम व्हाट यू विल गेट. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड H2. दिस विल बी द आंसर. नाउ सी पीपल आर देयर और नॉट. चेक इट आउट. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. This is question number 60. Keep stay over here, right? Wait. Question number, oh my God, such a lengthy one. It's over here. Is it visible to all of you? Visibility is clear. Just to let me know, visible. Question number 60. Just check it out. Is it visible? Now see everyone. Match list 1 with list 2. Oh, such a lengthy. क्यूमीन टू फिनॉल. आहा, मैंने बताया था मेरे नोट से, मैंने बताया था क्यूमीन टू फिनॉल. क्यूमीन टू फिनॉल ऑक्सीडेशन देन हाइड्रोलिसिस. 2 A is 2. A का 2 यानी कि ये नहीं हो सकता. नाउ एसिटिक एसिड टू इथाइल अल्कोहल B2H6. कहीं दिया है B2H6? कहीं नहीं दिया हुआ है, कहीं नहीं दिया हुआ है. ओ माय गॉड. सो एसिटिक एसिड टू इथाइल अल्कोहल. एसिटिक एसिड टू इथाइल अल्कोहल. भैया कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. एसिटिक एसिड, इसको देखते हैं. दिस पहले कंसंट्रेटेड H2SO4 देन हाइड्रेशन OMDM. C का 4, 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 C का 4. तो C का 4 एक ही यही बचा है, तो थर्ड होना चाहिए. लेट मी चेक इट आउट. दिस टू फिनॉल, दिस टू फिनॉल ओलियम H2SO4 NaOH 1. D का 1, D का 1, D का 1. ये थर्ड विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. कितने लोगों का सही हुआ? क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 का थर्ड विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. थर्ड वन. हे किड्स, डू लेट मी नो. थर्ड अगर टिक किया तो आपका आंसर सही है. 3. थर्ड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. अनदर वन. This question number 61. Let's see question number 61. Everyone see to it. Question number 61. The pair of molecules that are metamers among the following. Metamers. Ether 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are metamers. This Can't be the, because no functional group. First are metamers, ketone, aldehyde functional group changed, alcohol and alcohol can never show. So first is the correct answer. 61 is first. The first option. Kids, do let me know. I can't see. Why I cannot see? I can't see the people over there. Kids, can I see the messages? You keep on writing, yes, I have got it. Ask him from other channels, from other mobiles. So do let me know, kids, everyone, are you getting the answer? This is the correct answer. 61 is 1. Now, another question. Let's see. Because alcohols, they can't show. Ketone and aldehyde. This is ketone. That is being aldehyde. So, ketone and aldehyde, they are functional groups. Functional group should not get changed. There is no functional group. There is no functional group. So, it cannot show. It cannot show, kids. No functional group is there. And this is ether. And this is also ether. This side is methyl and that side is N-propyl. This side is ethyl and that side also ethyl. So alkyl groups should get changed. So first is the correct answer. Now, another one, kids. Another one. Wow, this question. Question coordination chemistry. Question number 62. Let's see question number 62. Match the following. Now, this is a square planar. A square planar can't be optically active. It will show geometrical isomers. So A is 3 for sure. Now, you see ammonia 5 NO2. And NO2 can be a linkage with N as well as with O. So it will show linkage isomerism. So C is 4. Now chromium H2O6 can't be optically active and it will show solvate isomerism and it is optically active cis or trans. So B is 1. Let's see, A is 3. A3B1. Oh, A3B1. So let me move it out like over here. A3B1, A3B1, A3B1. Okay. So let me zoom out. Now see what I have told you. It was A3, A was 3, B was 1, and C was ammonia 5 linkage isomerism 4, C4, A3, B1, C4. Fourth will be the correct answer. Fourth is the correct answer, kids. Do let me know, kids. Fourth is the correct answer. Unknown doctor, very good. So, I think this is clear. Fourth is the correct answer. Now, next question. Why fourth is the correct answer? If you have doubt, you can see this can't be optically active. All ligands are same. It is having water, so solvate isomerism. And this is a square planar, and square planar means it is always having plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is there. So, it will show cis and trans, that is geometrical isomerism. And COEN3, the bidentate ligand is optically active. It is like this. And ammonia NO2 can be sharing with the N ambidentate nucleophile. NO2 is ambidentate nucleophile. So definitely linkage isomerism. I hope you got it. Everyone got it. Now next question. The number of hydrogen atoms. Let's see question number 63. Question number 63. If it is visible to all of you, question number 63. Let's see, it's the number of hydrogen atoms present in 5.5 gram urea. Now see, urea is NH2, CO, NH2. Now urea's molar mass is 60. So number of moles is 5.4 upon 60. So these are the number of moles. And now, my dear students, the number of hydrogen atoms present. 2 and 2, 4. 4 atoms. So multiply by 4. So I will get N is equal to 5.4 upon 60 into 4. Now, how much you will get? Now, the thing is that how to solve it. Kids, see, if I say 15 choku 60, 15 I will get. Now, can I write 54 into 10 to the power minus 1? अपॉन 15, 15 एक 15 दूनी 30, 15 तिया 45, 15 तिया 45, तिया 45, 45. So 0.3 something, 0.3 something, nothing is like this. Okay, and into this is the moles. So let me calculate. So number of moles I am getting like this. So they are asking number of hydrogen atoms. So 3, 15 tiya 45, and how much is left? 45 and 9, 90, 15 छक्के 90, 15 छक्के 90. So 0.36 now multiplied by 0.36 into 6 into 10 raised to power 23, because 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 anything. So if I multiply it now, if I do it 36 into 6, so I will get 36 into 6 into 10 raised to power 21. So छकनक 36 6 और 3 18 18 और 3 21 21 216 into 10 raised to power 21. So what they have written, so can I write 2.16 into 10 raised to power 23, 2.16 into 10 raised to power 23, 2.16. See how clever they have given, into 10 raised to power 23. Second will be the correct answer, kids. How many of you got it? How many of you got it, kids? How many? Option 2. Very good, H.S.P. Gaming. Thank you. Thank you. Keep on writing. Very good. Keep on writing. I really need H.S.P. Gaming. I really need it. Now, this is the correct answer. Second one. See how much trap they have written. 2.16 into 10 raised to power 20. 2.16 into 10 raised to power 23. Wow, kids. They have to, भैया उन्होंने दिमाग खराब कर डाला. What type examiner he is or she is, really? Now another question. This though we have done. Yeah, this though we have done, but once again let me tell you, kids, if you're not able to understand, then see question number 64. Titanium. Science teacher, very crazy man, felt cold at night with cousin. 21 22 titanium 22. So 22 titanium, I will write 2 2 3d2 and 4s2, but titanium 2 plus, I will say 3d2 4s0. So 2 point something 2.84 Bohr magneton will be the correct answer. How many of you got it? This is the correct answer. 64th, fourth answer is correct. Ranjit Kumar, very good. H.S.P. Gaming, option 2. Thank you. Thank you. Now see another question. Completed. Chemistry, no, not completed. Here. Now question number 60. Sorry. Question number 65. Everyone see to 65 question number. Now see, everyone. Options are over here and this is the question. Just see to it, everyone. For a certain reaction, R gives product the plot of concentration R versus time T has a negative slope as the order of reaction. Now, from this reaction, you see as the time is increasing, the concentration R, and it started from here R naught, and that is decreasing, and slope is negative. What should be the correct answer, kids? Now, if I talk about with respect to time, the concentration R, this R is the left concentration and this is the initial concentration, it is decreasing. Now tell me what should be the order of reaction and which order is correct, because they are asking order of reaction. What should be the correct answer? Kotin Kumar is going for fourth. Oh, very good. Vedantu one. Thank you. Thank you. Kriyan. Now do let me know what should be the correct answer for this question. If you can see this question number 65, do let me know, kids, because we know that this K is the slope. K. Now K, why they are writing K is the slope? Now K is the slope means what? What? We know that if it would have been zero order reaction, तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? Left concentration R is equal to initial concentration R naught minus kT, minus kT. And if it would have been first order reaction, this is for zero order reaction, and if it would have been the first order reaction, I would have written ln R concentration is equal to ln R naught concentration minus kT. So they have compared the R concentration, that is not ln R. So definitely the answer will be fourth, because this is zero order reaction. If it would have been the first order reaction, their ln should have been kept. So am I right? Am I right, kids? You got it? This is clear to all of you or not? Do let me know that fourth zero order must be the correct answer. Kids, do let me know in the chat section. TSP Gaming, Ritvik, are you there? Are you there, kids? Do let me know. Are you there? Everyone, do let me know, are you getting the correct answer or not? Fine. Speedily do let me know, kids. I need water. Let me have a sip of water. Hanu? Pani? And do let me know that everyone got the answer or not, kids. I cannot see your messages in the chat section. What happened? Are you there or not? Now see, next question. Have you got it or not, kids? First of all, do let me know. I'm not going to solve more questions because you're not writing anything. Whether you have got the correct answer in the examination or not, do let me know. Then only Baba is going to solve more questions. Otherwise, have you seen anyone directly coming and solving all the questions? Have you seen anyone? Directly the one that Josie, sir, my physics was little bad. No problem. First check your chemistry. Very good for writing. Thank you. Now do let me know. Have you got this answer or not? I want to see. Check it out. The fourth answer I have written is right or wrong. So keep on writing and stay over here only. Speedily. Okay, everyone, now let's move towards another question. Let's move towards another question. This is really a great question. This is really going to be a great question, kids. I have told you such type of questions will come in your examination. Before the examination, I have told you such type of question. Really fantastic question. Now, compound C8H8O. Its du is coming x plus 1 minus y by 2. 9 minus 4, 5. That is indicating benzene is there. Presence of benzene is 99%. So if I write benzene, C6H5 and something will be there, gives a red-orange precipitate with 2,4-DNP. This is indicating that carbonyl group is there, because this is Brady's reagent test and this is the test for aldehydes or ketones, 2,4-DNP test. And it does not reduce Phalanx region. That means sure this is indicating it is a ketone. It is a ketone because it is not giving Phalanx test. Even benzaldehyde also does not give either ketone or benzaldehyde. It can be benzaldehyde also because benzaldehyde does not give Phalanx test. Benzaldehyde gives Tollens test. On drastic oxidation with chromic acid, P gives an aromatic product Q that produces effervescence. On treating it, this is sodium bicarbonate test, and this is definitely is indicating RCOOH is there. Now, my dear students, now see, if I write like this, C8, 6 carbons have gone. So if I write C6H5, so if I remove C8H8O minus C6H5, what is left? 1 oxygen is left, 3 hydrogens are left, and carbons 2. C2 is left. 2 carbons are left. That means what I'm supposed to get, because if I add two carbons, so see two carbons and how many oxygen? Only one oxygen. What they are writing? Compound P and Q. P. So definitely P and Q. Oh, four options must be there. In P there is one oxygen. Oh. So let me go like this. So let me zoom in and let me come over here. So four options. Let's see. Now it can be benzaldehyde, it can be ketone. Now, my dear students, benzaldehyde also does not give Phalanx test. So it can be benzaldehyde, it can be acetophenone also. Now, my dear students, what they have written in the effervescence on treating with NaOH compound P and Q respectively, P and Q. So it's very tough question. On acidic oxidation with chromic, P gives an aromatic product Q that produces effervescence. Now gives a red-orange precipitate and it does not reduce Phalanx. They have really done what a question they have given. So if I say, if it is like this, that is wrong, because that has to be carboxylic acid side chain oxidation, because this on acidic oxidation, side chain oxidation. So P first can't be the answer. First can't be the answer. First can't be the answer. One thing is very clear, that one can't be the answer. Now, if this is there, this can be the answer. If this is there, that can be the answer. And this cannot form because on side chain oxidation, if CH3, if I say, and they are reacting with, they are not doing side chain oxidation, they have reacted it with on acidic oxidation with chromic acid. Chromic acid is side chain oxidation, but because chromic acid will get K2Cr2O7 acidic medium, that is side chain oxidation. If we do side chain oxidation, then how toluene will left? No, this can't be the answer. Even this can't be the answer, kids. Neither this is the answer, nor that is the answer. Now, my dear friends, if this we are taking, this will be the answer. If this we are taking, this will be the answer. Now, the examiner has forgotten that benzaldehyde does not reduce Phalanx solution. उसके दिमाग में रहा होगा कि benzaldehyde तो aldehyde हो ही नहीं सकता, ketone. So according to examiner, he will give, according to NTA, they will give this answer, but actually both are the correct answer according to me, because this will undergo oxidation and this will undergo oxidation, side chain oxidation. Both does not reduce Phalanx solution. Both do not reduce Phalanx solution. So my dear student, this is going to be a bonus question. Bonus one. Why I am saying bonus one? The one who must be framing out, the one who has framed out this question, उसने सोचा होगा benzaldehyde तो aldehyde है, वो tolerance Phalanx test देगा. According to examiner, उसने सोचा होगा benzaldehyde Phalanx test देगा, तो उसने सोचा होगा this will be the answer because two carbons, 1 2 1 2. उसने सोचा होगा this is the answer, but my dear friend, both will be the correct answer. Even this will not give Phalanx test, and that is the ketone, that will not give Phalanx test. Both are the correct answer, 2 and 3 according to me, kids. According to me, both are both of them are correct answers. Bonus question जाना चाहिए ये, because दोनों आंसर सही आ रहे हैं. आप लोग मुझे बताइए चैट सेक्शन में, kids, I cannot see your chats. Only few people I can see. Rest of other students I cannot see, kids. दोनों आंसर सही आ रहे हैं बेटा, दोनों ही बोनस जाना चाहिए ये. It has to go bonus. किड्स क्या कहते हैं आप लोग? बोनस क्वेश्चन जाना चाहिए, बोनस. एक बार और पढ़ लेते हैं, एक बार और पढ़ लेते हैं बेटा, एक बार और पढ़ लेते हैं क्वेश्चन को. Compound P gives a red-orange precipitate, both will give, and does not reduce Phalanx solution, both will not. On acidic oxidation with chromic acid, P gives an aromatic compound Q that produces effervescence, both because sodium bicarbonate is a test for NaHCO3. So P and Q, both. Beta, question number 66, bonus जाना चाहिए, bonus question. Prashuram, Thank you, unknown doctor. Now let's come to another question. This is simple one. Let's see how it's simple one. Match the list A1 with the list B, zero order. Now units, moles per liter, 1 minus n, second inverse. Moles per liter, time inverse. Time inverse. So you can match it with, if I say zero order reaction, moles per liter, 1 minus n, second inverse, zero order, 1 minus 1, so time inverse. For zero order, time inverse 3. Third one, right? Zero order ke liye third one. So let me zoom out. So third, first let me correlate it. First order. Oh, wait, wrong. The zero order. So if I do it, sorry kids. Sorry. Moles per liter, 1 minus n, time inverse. So for zero order, I will keep 0. So for moles per liter, 1 minus 0 is 1. Moles per liter, time inverse. Moles per liter, time inverse. Fourth, 1 is fourth. For first order, 1 minus 1, time inverse. Third, B is 3. A is 4. B is 3. Second order, 1 minus 2, minus 1. So mole inverse, mole minus 1 liter, mole minus 1 liter, time inverse 1. C is 1. So second will be the correct answer. Check it out. Second will be the correct answer. Just check it out. Everyone just check it out. For this question, the answer will be second. Everyone just check it out. For this question, the answer will be second. Everyone just check it out. This is your question number 67, and I have gone for zero order reaction, moles fourth, zero order fourth, and first order was 3, 4, 3 out of these two, and then I have gone for second order, mole minus 1 liter, 1, and C was 1. Second answer. I have gone for second answer. Just check it out, everyone. Your answer is right or wrong. Do let me know, kids. Do let me know in the chat section for this question. Your answer is right or wrong. Everyone just do let me know. I have gone for second to be the correct answer. TSP Gaming, just do let me know what's your answer. TSP Gaming, just do let me know. Very good. Now, another question. Now, here is another question. Question number 68. Question number 68, kids. Just see to it. Question number 68. Although +3 oxidation state is most common in lanthanide ceriums. Oh, भाई ये क्वेश्चन तो मैंने कल ही कराया है। कल के आप चेक करो, कल का क्वेश्चन है ये। एनटीए की साइट पे था, गवर्नमेंट साइट पे। ये कल क्वेश्चन कराया मैंने, कल ही कराया बेटा। कल मेरा वीडियो देखो, कल का ही क्वेश्चन है ये बाबा। हीलियम, नियोन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, जिनोन, रेडोन, ऑगी, 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 118. Now 54, and it is cerium is 58. Cerium is 58. If it is losing 4 electron, it will become radon. So it will get noble gas configuration. So after losing 1 electron, it acquires 4F14. No, wrong. its atomic number 61. No, cerium is 58. After losing one more, it acquires 4s0 electronic configuration. It is nearest to near attached to radon 54. Fourth is the correct answer, kids. Wow, फोर्थ इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मेरे नोट से कल ही पढ़ाया था मैंने यार, कल ही एक क्वेश्चन कराया था मैंने. एग्जैक्टली द सेम क्वेश्चन एंड द सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन. बिल्कुल ये क्वेश्चन. Everyone just check it out. I'm so much shocked. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Radon, its atomic number. And this is the first element of lanthanoid. 58 to 71. Silu, cerium to lutetium. 58 to 71. Lanthanoid's first element, its atomic number is 58. Kids, thank you, Parashuram. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Same question had come in my state board. Oh, Snevalan. अरे भाई कल मैंने कराया ये क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ, देखते हैं कल मैंने ये कराया कि नहीं कराया. लेट्स सी, लेट मी चेक इट आउट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. In a test tube containing a salt, a few drops of dilute H2SO4 was added, which gave colorless vapors having the smell of vinegar. Acetic acid, that means acetate is there. The vapors turn the blue litmus red. Identify. Acetate, acetate. आया मैंने कराया, कल ही कराया है salt analysis. और भाई रात को मैंने डाला था कि salt analysis आएगी. Salt analysis will come. I have told you yesterday. Yesterday I've told you salt analysis will come, and salt analysis, this is acetate, kids. आ गया. Acetic acid is having a smell of vinegar. So acetate radical is there. Kids, are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? Now, another one. Here is another question. Question number 70. Just see question number 70, everyone. Calculate the EMF of the half cell given below. Platinum, H2. First see, H2 is getting converted into twice of H plus. Oxidation is taking place, loss of 2 electrons. So oxidation is taking place, right? Oxidation is taking place. Now, we know this. Now what they are asking, calculate the EMF of the half cell. EMF, E half cell is equal to E naught half cell minus 0.0591 upon 2 and log of the oxidized one, H plus square will be there, and H2 is pressure is there, right? So E naught is 0, and now log H plus HCl, the pressure of H2 will be there, pressure of H2 over here. So what I will get, 0.059 upon 2, and this 2 will come over, 2 and 2 will cancel out. I will get minus 0.06 something, and log of H plus concentration is given 0.02. 0.02, that means log 0.02 I can write 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 upon pressure. Pressure is 2 atmosphere, so 2 and 2 cancel out, and 2 will come over here. 2 log 10 is 1, 2 into 0.06, 6 into 2 दूनी 12, so 0.6, can I write 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 2, 6 दूनी 12 into 10 raised to power minus 2, 0.12, near about 0.12. Fourth is coming, and E naught cell log 2 so already I have converted 0.059, so Near about fourth is coming to be the correct answer. Just check it out. Approximately fourth is coming to be the correct answer. Just check it out, everyone, and do let me know. According to me, it's near about fourth one is the correct answer. Just check it out, everyone, and do let me know, my dear students. And it's coming negative. No, it's positive. It is given positive. My answer has to become negative. So negative, see how they are playing. This is positive and this is negative. Negative answers should be negative. So just check it out, everyone. Third is the coming to be the correct answer. Third one is negative. So I missed the sign. So see kids, it's negative. Whole everything has to come out negative. Just check it out, kids, everyone. Everyone just check it out and do let me know what answer you people are getting. TSP Gaming, what answer for this question you are getting? Do let me know, TSP Gaming. Check it out. TSP Gaming, do let me know what is the answer of question number 70. TSP Gaming. Hello? Do it 70. 70. Kids. Snibble, do let me know for this question, because E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.59 upon 2, because this is negative and I have solved for negative, so negative has to come out. Just check it out and do let me know. I think third will be the answer because negative sign is given over there. Parashuram, everyone just do let me know, because I have solved it. E cell, E naught cell minus 0.59. So I have kept all the values and I have multiplied. It's near about coming 0.12, because I have taken from 0.059, I have taken 0.06. So negative has to come. So let me check it out once again. This value I have kept. Log of this I have kept. And log 2. Log 2 got cancel out from my side. So 3 is the correct answer, right? Because everything got cancelled out. So third is the correct answer. This is positive and this is negative. So third will be the correct answer. Third is the correct answer. Done. Say 690 plus. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now see, third will be the correct answer for this. Third is the correct answer. Now see kids, another question. Buffer solution. Question number 71. Let's see. Let me have some water and then I will solve this question. Kids, let me have some water. Have you seen any teacher quickly solving all the questions, whether organic, inorganic or physical, in one go? Have you seen any teacher going like this, solving all the questions? Now see kids, at 298 Kelvin, certain buffer solution contains equal concentration of X and HX. Kb for this is this. 10 days to what is the pH of this buffer solution? Now see, they are writing HX. It is a buffer solution they are writing. So weak acid and salt of strong base. So according to this, it is acidic buffer, because weak acid and salt with a strong base, but they have given Kb. Why they have given Kb, I don't know. Why they have given Kb, that I don't know. But because they are writing, so go for it and do let me know who is going to give the correct answer for question number 71. 71 questions answer. Let's see kids. According to me, this is acidic buffer, and Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation, pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt, concentration of salt, concentration of salt upon concentration of acid, concentration of salt upon concentration of acid, kids. Now it's a buffer solution. So for buffer solution, pKa, we know that one more thing, that they have given K. Okay. So let's see, pK plus pKb is equal to 14 and K plus Kb. So my dear students, this is buffer solution, acidic buffer or basic buffer. That is the problem. Because I am saying it's acidic buffer. If it is acidic buffer, then out of these 3 will be the answer. And if it is a basic buffer, then 10 will be the answer. I am very much confused that it is acidic buffer or basic buffer. Now POH, it's PKB. Check it out whether it is acidic buffer or basic buffer. If it is basic, then 10 will be the answer. If it is acidic, then we have to solve it. POH is equal to PKB plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of base. So which formula should I apply, basic buffer or acidic buffer? I have to check it out, cross check. A certain buffer solution contains equal concentration of X negative and HX. This is indicating it is acid. I don't know if this is acid, why they have given Kb for X negative. And what is the pH of this buffer? That is a really required thing, that it's being acidic buffer or basic buffer. What to say, kids? Now, if I write Kb, two. This is answer. Okay. Now see, kids. So if I say this HS is indicating it's a weak acid, for buffer it should be a weak acid. Now my dear students, let's check it out. Apply this formula. According to me, this is acidic buffer. And pKa, they have given Kb. We know that Ka into Kb will be 10 raised to the power minus 14. So definitely your Ka will be 10 raised to the power minus 14 upon 10 raised to the power minus 10, 10 raised to the power 4, 10 raised to the power 4 Ka. And we know that pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. So can I write here minus log of Ka? This will go up minus 4. This is minus 4, kids, minus 4, because this will go up plus 10 and minus 4. This is minus 4. So can I write pK is equal to minus log of K? So here I can write minus log of 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now buffer, so I think this concentration is equal, log 1 is 0. So log 1 will come out 0. So this will come out to be here 4. 4 will be the correct answer. Mine is coming 4. If this is acidic buffer, 4 will be the correct answer. And by chance, examiner has thought it to be base, if he's thinking about to be base, then 10 will be the correct answer, kids. If it would have been a basic buffer, then answer will go for it. This, if it is being acidic buffer, the answer will go for this. But according to me, this is being acidic buffer, so 4th will be the correct answer. Kids, got it or not? Everyone got it? Now, another question. The correct IUPAC name, IUPAC question number 72. Let's see, everyone. The correct IUPAC name of the following. So it is not having any functional group. Select the longest possible continuous chain of carbon atoms. So according to me, this is the longest possible chain of continuous carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. 3 ethyl is coming. 1, 2, 3. So numbering rule failed. Locant rule failed. Alphabetical order. This is methyl. This is ethyl. We will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 3 ethyl, 5 methyl. 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, heptane. Even a class 10th student could have solved this question. Second will be the correct answer. Do let me know, kids. Do let me know your answer is right or wrong. This will be the correct answer. Second will be the correct answer. Do let me know, have you got it or not, everyone? Because 3-ethyl 5-methyl heptane, this is the correct answer, right? Now let's solve another question. Everyone, have you got it? Now let's go for another question. This, let me zoom out a little bit. Now everything is visible, kids, right? Now see, question number 73. Oh, question number 73. You see, the following two reactions gave the same foul smell, bad smell. So bad smell is ethyl isocyanide. For isocyanide, we have to use AgCN, because AgCN is having covalent character, more foul smell. Happy birthday reaction, Hoffman bromamide degradation. So we will get C2H5 NH2, and then we will get carbylamine test, everyone just see, we will get C2H5 NC. Now what they are asking? They are asking X and Z. X is AgCN, so they have gone like this, and this is isocyanate, this is cyanate, so this have gone. Fourth will be the correct answer. Fourth is the correct answer. People got it? Have you got it? Fourth will be the correct answer. Do let me know in the chat section. Do let me know in the chat section that you got it or not. Fourth is the correct answer. For this question, fourth will be the correct answer. Now, let's see another question. Question number 74. Mixture of chloroform and acetone forms a solution. Now see, chloroform and acetone. Acetone cannot form hydrogen bonding and chloroform cannot form hydrogen bonding. Now both together they will come closer, because chloroform and acetone, they will form hydrogen bonding. So it is a case of negative deviation. Negative deviation. Let's see negative deviation. What they are writing? Deviation from Rod's law. Increase in escaping, no, wrong. Repulsive, stronger intermolecular forces between chloroform molecules than those between chloroform and acetone. No, formation of hydrogen bonding in between chloroform. Fourth will be the correct answer. Check it out. Question number 74. Fourth will be the correct answer, and do let me know in the chat section. Its answer will be fourth. 74th is fourth, because chloroform will form hydrogen bonding with acetone like this, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, and chloroform's H will come over here because of negative charge, and CHCl3, CCl3 negative will come to this. So they will come closer, closer. So negative deviation, it's a case of negative deviation. Do let me know, are you getting my point or not, kids? The answer is right or wrong? Do let me know in the chat section. 74th answer is fourth. Fourth is the correct answer. Do let me know in the chat section, kids. What is the answer of this question? Question number 74. Do let me know how many of you got the correct answer. Okay, kids, let me solve one question. I think sign convention I need to see. Sign convention I need to see. One question. First, let me solve all these questions, and then I will go to that question, sign convention one, right? Many questions are given, but see over here. Let me see this question I have solved. Let me check it out. Sign convention for this question. Let me solve once again. I'm not thinking myself in a good mood. So let me solve it again. E cell is equal to E naught cell, that is 0 minus 0.0591 upon 2 log of concentration of H plus, because twice of simply H2 was changed into twice of H plus 2 electrons negative. Log of H plus will go up, so H plus is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and square will go up, and now denominator it is 2 atmosphere. So what I can see, this 2 will come over here, 2 and 2 will cancel out, 2 and 2 will cancel out, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, and minus 2 will come over here, so minus will become plus 0.0 near about 6, and what is left? What is left, kids? Oh, wait, once again let me solve it, kids, because I'm not satisfied. I don't know why, kids. Let me solve it once again. E cell is equal to E naught cell, that is 0 minus 0.059 upon 2 log of concentration of H plus. H plus was over there, so H plus is square, concentration of H plus is square, that is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 square, and denominator it's 2 atmosphere. Now you see, this is the situation, kids, right? So if I solve it, I will get 0.059, so it will come out 0.03 near about, and log of what I will get, 2 2s are 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Let me check it like this, 2. So 2 will cancel out with 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So minus 4, if I bring over here, still it is negative, so negative sign is there. So let me solve it negative, and if I bring this minus 4 over here, minus 4, so minus 4 minus 3 minus will get plus, and 4 3 12, so 12 का 2 हासिल लगी 1, so 12 only I will write down. So into 10 raised to power, this minus will come out plus, and it's 10 raised to power minus 2. Let me write down, and log what is left, log 2 is 0.3010. So 4 12 में बात 36 into 10 raised to power minus 2, so I'll get 0.36 of plus. So that time it was coming over here, now it's coming a little bit different. I am unaware of, I think calculation mistake is there, plus 0.36, 0.35, one error is there. So let me solve it once again. I think calculation mistake is there, so let me solve it once again, kids, just check it out. E cell zero, it's gone 0.059 upon 2 log of concentration, because we have written H2 gives twice of H plus 2 electrons negative, so H plus is square, H plus is given 0.022 into 10 raised to power minus 2 square upon pressure is 2 atmosphere. Now we can check it out, what to see, kids, how to solve it. Minus is minus, you can see. If I bring this 2 over here, 2 and 2 will cancel out, got cancelled out, and if I bring 2 log 2, 2, so what to do, kids? 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out. So if I bring this minus to minus will plus and 2, so 2.0, so it will become plus, and 0.059 and this is twice only, so it's coming like this. So if I write down like it's 0.059, so can I write 0.06 into 2 or 6 into 2 into 10 to the minus 2, 6 दूनी 12, it's 0.12 and it's plus 0.12 near about, it's coming like this. So I think some calculation mistake is, what is the correct answer, kids? Something gone wrong. What's the correct answer, kids? Do let me know what's the correct answer is coming. Do let me know. Schneewell, Linep, do let me know. Fourth is the answer. Fourth is the correct answer because plus sign will be there. So definitely fourth is the correct answer. Kids, do let me know I am getting fourth as the correct answer because negative will not come. Fourth is the correct answer. Just check it out. I have done twice. Once I have done wrong. That was, calculation was wrong. Fourth is the correct answer. Fourth is the correct answer for this question. Fourth is the correct answer, kids, right? Fourth is the correct answer, right? Finally, just check it out. Fourth is the correct answer. Schneewell and unknown doctor, fourth is the correct answer, right? Because sign will be plus sign will be there. This is the correct answer finally, right? So its answer is fourth. Now, another question. Now, question number 75. Identify the correct statements. The molarity of 2.5 gram ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene solution is this. Oh, this is a lengthy one. Let me check it out. Molarity is weight of solute, ethanoic acid 2.5 and ethanoic acid CH3, COOH, 2 carbons, 12 दूनी 24 and 4 and 16 दूनी 32, 24 28, 28 2 30 60, 60 divided by 60 and 75 gram of benzene. This is the weight of solvent. So how much it will come out, kids, if we apply maths? So if I write here 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 1, so this will cut out 25 3s are and 6 दूनी 12, 6 3 18, 18, that means I will get 10 raised to the power minus 1, 1 means 1 upon 10 and 18, 1 8 0 0. Just check it out. Everyone just check it out. And this is a gram. So this is a gram. So multiply by 1000, 10 raised to the power 3. So multiply by 10 raised to the power 3. So you will get 1000 upon 1800. 1800 will cancel out. I have got this. So can I write 100 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 and this upon 18? 18 पंचे 18 36 38 34 72 18 पंचे 90, 18 पंचे 90, 90 5 and 10, 18 पंचे 90, once again 0.55. So this is true. Identify the correct statement. This is coming true according to me. Now let's see. The molarity of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH, molar mass in 400. Let's see if the molarity capital M, if I say 5 gram upon 60, 60 and what they are writing 450 ml, 450 into 1000. So this will cancel out and 50 upon 6 24, no, this is 50, this is being 50 upon what is left 45, 450 and 6 into 45 is left. Can you check it out, kids? How much it will come out? So if I say it will, do you think it will come out 0.27? Aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water. This is also true. This is also true. And this is true. This is true. This we have to solve. And you see 50 upon 645. It will come 0.2 or not. Whether it is coming 0.2 or not. Oh. Oh, Lamdathang. Welcome. Lamdathang. Welcome. Now do let me know what answer is coming. If you divide 50 upon 6 into 45, so this is coming true, this is coming true. The solubility of gas increases with decrease in pressure. This is wrong, this is wrong. And if you divide it, let's solve it. 5, 5 पान नेम 45 10 upon or 10 upon 6 into 9. So if I say 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, so it is coming 5 upon no, it had not yet 27. So if I go for it, if I write down 50, so 10 raised to power -1, 25 2s are 50, so something less than 2, because this is more, so something less than 2. I think this is not appropriate. So let's see, let's check it out. A and C to correct, A and C are correct, so only according to them E is also there. A and what I said, A was correct, A was correct, C was correct, A and C to 100% correct. A and C, this option is also there. B was not correct, so A and C, and let me check it out. For a binary mixture of A and B, the number of moles of A and B are like this. The mole fraction of B will be mole B. This is wrong, this is wrong. So A and C, just check it out. I will go for fourth. Everyone just check it out. This question's answer, I would like to go with fourth. Very lengthy, kids. Today's chemistry paper is very lengthy, everyone. 75, I would like to go for fourth. Check it out. Very lengthy and too much calculation is there. Fourth is the correct answer according to me, kids. Thank you, Lamzathang, but do let me know. According to me, fourth is the correct answer, but this was very lengthy because too much calculation is required over there. Very good, Sneevale. Very good, Sneevale. Now, another question. Question is 76. Identify the incorrect statement. ECl3 is a monomer when E is equal to the dimer when E, oh my God. ECl3, E is boron. Okay, if I say this is boron is a monomer, and when this is ECl3, E is equal to boron and aluminum is a monomer when E is equal to B, E is equal to B and aluminum. Okay. If it is monomer when this is boron and dimer when this is aluminum. Okay, Al2Cl6, right? The order of catenation property carbon silicon, okay, right? But they are asking incorrect. Oxygen is only -2 oxidation state. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? If I say F2O2, in F2O2 oxygen's oxidation state is +2. No. F2O, in F2O it is +2 and F2O2 it is +1. So this is wrong, this is false, incorrect. So third is the correct answer. Kids, check it out. Question number 76, its correct answer is 3. And see, this has taken too much time. 3 times I have seen what they want to say. Boron, BCl3, Al2Cl6. Just check it out. Third one. So third is the correct answer. Very good. Lamzathang, its third answer is correct. This is third is correct, oxygen like this. And now let's see another question. Here is this question. O3. Now the formal charge. Now the formal charge formula many people must have forgotten. So formal charge is, let's check it out. If I say formal charge on like this, the correct formal charge on oxygen 213, 2. Let's say on 2, to the valence shell electron 6. Now, what is the formula of formal charge? That is the thing we should remember. What is the formula of formal charge? Total number of valence electron minus half of bonding plus lone pair or something like that. So now really, frankly speaking, formal charge, but definitely we can do it. The formal charge, valence shell electron at 6 minus half of bonded electrons. What is the formula? I have to forgotten, kids. Now how to find out formal charge? Now see, the formal charge, we can calculate its formal charge should come out 0. It should come out 0. So it has to start with 0 and only one is, they are asking 2. So this is 2. It has to come like this. It has to come like this. Now you can check it out, or I can draw it like this: O double bond O and positive and O negative. So you see 0 plus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1. This I am going with common sense. I have forgotten the formula, but I remember only one thing: how to apply the logic. Check it out. According to me, this should be the correct answer. Question number 77, this should be the correct answer. Okay, now let's go for another one. This can't be the answer. This can't be the answer, and minus 1, this can't be the answer. Now let's see another question. 78th question. Let's see question number 78. At a certain temperature during a process, 500 joule is absorbed by the system and work of this is done by the system. You know that change in internal energy is equal to Q plus W, right? They are saying this much joule heat is absorbed. Absorbed means plus sign. So I will write 500. And this much of work of this much joule is done by the system. So W is negative. Negative, that means minus 200. The change in internal energy of the system. So your answer will be what? 500 minus 200. That is 300. Third will be the correct answer. Just check it out. Unknown doctor, very good. Third is the correct answer. Everyone just check it out. 3 is the correct answer. Got it? So here 3 is the correct answer, because heat is absorbed by the system. So Q is positive and work done by the system, W is negative. It's a chemistry question. So in chemistry, sign conventions are like this. Now see question number 79. Everyone see to it. Question number 79. Consider the following reaction. Twice of A plus B gives 2D. Change in internal energy is this much and delta is this much. Identify the correct. This type of question I have told you, kids. I have told you. Now you have to find out delta G. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Yesterday we have solved this question. If you remember, मैंने कल ही कराया है ये question. अगर आपको याद है बेटा, 300 joule. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This one. So they are saying change in internal energy. They have written internal energy. Now we have to find out first thing, the relation between delta H and delta U. That also we have to find out. Now let's do like this. So let's see, delta S is negative, and if I say delta U is near about like delta H, so if I say this is negative, so this is making reaction to be in the forward direction. So temperature should be less. If less temperature is there, the reaction will be spontaneous. Identify the correct option with delta G for the reaction. Delta R is like this. So this negative, this is spontaneous, non-spontaneous, spontaneous, non-spontaneous. Oh my God. So we have to solve it, and we have to do how to find out delta H. We know that delta H is equal to delta U plus Ng delta NGRT. So it's a very lengthy question, kids. First we have to find out delta H is equal to, now if you don't remember the formula, we know that H is equal to U plus PV, and in place of PV we can write delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. Oh my dear student, gaseous moles we have to find out. Gaseous, 2, and these are 3. Final minus initial -1. So delta H is equal to delta U. Delta U is minus 10 kilojoule per mole, and RT delta Ng, that is -1, and R they have given, R is joule, that is given joule, and that is given in kilojoule. So either you can convert this or you can convert that. So let me write down, this is kilojoule, so multiply by 10 raised to power 3, this will become joule, and R is 8.3, so minus into 8.3, and temperature is given, where the temperature given gets 298, so you can consider 300 Kelvin. So first of all we have got minus 10 into 10 raised to power 3, so minus 10 raised to power 4, this value is there, and this is 8.3 into 3, 8.3 into 3, 3 का 9, 8 24, 24.9 we can consider 25, and this is minus 25, my dear students, it's very less. So delta H is near about, you can take equal to delta U only, and you keep the value delta H over here, and T delta S, you will get the answer. So lengthy calculation. What's the correct answer? So if you solve it, you see which value will come more, because I am saying delta H and delta U, they are nearly approximately equal. So if I keep the value of this, so what I will get? I will get delta U is equal to minus 10, and delta S is joule. See, this is kilojoule, that is joule, this is kilojoule, that is joule, and this is very much high, and that is negative, and this is negative. So this is a negative 10 into 10 raised to power 3, and negative, and this is negative into negative, this will come out to be positive, this will come out to be the positive. So answer will come out to be positive or negative. One thing, that what's the answer, kids? Anyone, is there anyone, what answer you are getting, kids? Do let me know. Okay, Snehwell, I will talk in English only, but do let me know, because calculation is very lengthy. How they have given this much long calculation? So you have to solve it. Once you got the value, apply Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Now too much calculation is there. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation you have to supply, and the values we have calculated. Two formulas applicable. One is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. Another formula is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So it's coming 2. It's coming out 2. Second answer. Do you think second is coming out to be the answer? Let me check it out. 44 into 300. If I say 44 into 300, so it will come out 4 12 12 12 13, and it is coming out this much, 13200. So plus sign, this is coming out to be the plus sign 1 2 3 4 5, and this is also 5, this is 5, that is plus. So this is the answer, kids. Second is the answer, right? Okay, let's go for another question. Question number 80. Select the reagent that reduced nitrile to primary amine. LiLH4 cyanide RCN to RCH2 NH2. Let's see. This is for sure. This is for sure. This is Mendius reduction for sure. ACD. ACD. So I would like to go for the first answer. Check it out. First answer. Everyone, question number 8 is I'm getting first. I'm getting first as the answer. Sneewell snap. Sneewell slap. Now check it out. Sneewell slap. I'm getting first as the answer. You check it out because LiLH4, this tin can't convert into primary amine. This can't be the answer. H2 nickel is the answer. This is Mendius reduction. This is also the answer. Mendius reduction is also the answer. And this is not the answer. So first is the answer. Check it out. Everyone just check it out. According to me, this is the correct answer. Everyone just check it out. Quick, quick. Kids, it's very lengthy. Chemistry paper is very lengthy, kids. I would like to say it's very lengthy. It's very lengthy, kids. Which is following is ambidentate nucleophile. This is easy. Ambidentate, oxalate, ethylene diamine, tetraacetate, thiocyanate. Thiocyanate will be the correct answer for this. Definitely thiocyanate, because you know that thiocyanate, if I say that Sachin and Nachos, this I have told you, this will be the correct answer, right? So all done, all the questions we have done. Now we have done all the questions, right, kids? All the best. Whole chemistry we have solved. Maybe one or two things can be wrong. I don't know, because one question is sure for bonus. One question will go for bonus, that the conversion one is definitely for bonus, right? Thank you, Sneewell Snap. Thank you, Sneewell Snap. I think I am the one who has solved in the sequence. If you watch all the what to say media, the YT lectures, you will see I think I am the only one who has solved the whole physical, organic, inorganic. I was kept on solving the sequence. It's not like that I have gone here and there. One question I thought that the sign convention I have done wrong. That one, the pH one, not the pH one, H2 She1, standard hydrogen electrode one. So I have given the answer C. Then I thought that minus and minus, that mathematical cancelled out sign, that was the plus one. There I came back and then I have solved that question. Thank you everyone, all my dear students. Baba has solved all the questions in the sequence. I have not jumped here and there. I have not jumped for physical, organic and inorganic. I have gone in the sequence to solve each and every question, kids. So bye to all of you. All the best. May Almighty God bless you with the best strength. Bye-bye. Take care, kids. Take care.